if I choose to work with family, I'm saying this, but I work a little bit with my husband, but still, before speaking with him, I need to clean my thoughts about him, what he's going to say, what he's going to argue with me. So I need to clean with husband identity, colleague identity. So all the identities that we are experience on our roles. So, and if I don't do it, it doesn't have a chance. This is the worst part. So, and sometimes it's so horrible, like shocking, like cleaning in one thing, and people like, wow. And that is like shocking, like, oh my gosh, regrets, like I should be cleaning before if I did it that time or whatever, because sometimes it's like a change so strong in just one piece of cleaning. So like Heliakala used to say, if we could see the effects of our cleaning, we would do much more cleaning. And this is amazing. Just try it. And I think the biggest thing here is the expectations. Oh, I'm going to tell him this family or my mother or my father, and they are going not to accept whatever. So we have to work whatever we feel about these people. So this is letting go our thoughts and apply our tools. So this is my experience.